Okay, I'm going to tell you about the next transformation. A times f of x moves points moves every point 8 times as far from the x-axis. Okay? On the same side of the x-axis, if A is positive, on the opposite side, if A is less than 0. Okay? And if the magnitude of A, the absolute value of A is less than 1, A times further is really closer. So if A is 1/2, well, when you move the points twice as close to the x-axis, that was like A equals 1/2. You move them twice as far, that's like A equals 2. Okay? A equals 1.3, well, you move it 30% further. Does that make sense? I mean, do you at least understand what this rule is telling you? So I'm not going to do it on this assignment, but if I said, okay, draw this graph with these numbers, okay? And this function's f of x. Now draw the graph of f of x minus a, where a is a number of letters in the first name. Okay? What would you do? Well, if you think about what I've told you, you would move the thing a units to the right. Okay? And you got to think about that. If it was f of x plus a, and a was 7, you'd have to move it 7 units to the left. If it's f of x plus 4, then you move it 4 units higher. F of x minus 4, you move it 4 units lower. At least I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to move points. Okay? And that's what it's all about. You have these rules. If I say move, do the graph of 3 times f of x, you move every point 3 times as far from the x-axis on the same side as 3 is positive, right? Say to negative 1/3 f of x, you're going to move every point on the other side of the axis for 3 times as close. That's pretty much it. Now, there is another transformation that Open Math will tell you about. And it's not one that's relevant to the functions we're studying in the first half of the course. So you want to know about it, and it will become relevant. But I'm not going to confuse you before. We're going to let Open Math do that for me. Okay. You understand the first 3, at least the rule for the fourth one, if you don't understand why it works, is not that hard to apply. So it just basically says if you do f of 2x, you move every point twice as close to the y-axis. Not a big deal. Okay. Looks like everybody's ready to go 6 minutes early. Yeah, weekend's coming up. This is the main stuff. I'm perfectly happy to turn you loose on open math and the assignment that I think you're well prepared for. Okay? So I'm going to do some examples that y'all you kind of lose this camera. So if you got questions, stick around. I'm glad to answer. I'm going to go start your weekend. If that's what you have next. You're welcome to go. Okay, Ian, you're still there? I don't know whether she started recording, but anyhow, if you're still there, looks like everybody's deserted me, so I'm going to close this out.
All right.
Have a good weekend. Let me know if you have questions.